In this Influenster review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this website right over here. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Influenster is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. First of all, I would like to say that this website called Influenster is a 100% legit website, and the true thing about this is that you're not going to be making money by testing all of these products. So that is the thing. So with this website you can be getting a lot of freebies, so you can get all of these products, and you can review them on their website, but you're not going to be getting paid for the reviews that you make, but you're going to be just getting a lot of freebies from this website if you download their app and if you fill out your information and all that stuff. So I want to make that clear that you're not going to be making money by testing all this, by giving reviews for these products, but you can definitely get a lot of freebies on this website right over here. So I would suggest you guys not to go to their website. Instead, you can sign up in the Google Play Store or the App Store. So that's a more better way, because you're going to be seeing a lot more options on the Play Store and Google Play instead of the website. So the way it works is that the brands sometimes they give away these free products, and these people they will give you these free products if you're like really interested. If they find that you're really interested in this product, they will give you these products for free, and then you'll get these vox boxes. So these vox boxes will be filled with these freebies and a lot of stuff. So you can be getting all of this for free, but again guys, you are not going to be making money or for just reviewing their products. So not everyone can get access to these vox boxes, because people outside the UK, US, Canada, France, Germany, if you're outside these countries, you're not going to be getting these vox boxes, which is basically filled with a lot of freebies. So you can see this is like a sample of it. So if you are not from these countries, which is the US, UK, Canada, France and Germany, I suggest you guys not using this website, because you're not going to be getting any freebies from this website. But if you're from these countries, I definitely you can give it a shot by visiting this website. Then you can choose the product you love. You'll get this product straight away to your address if you are in this country. Stick around till the end of the video, as I'm going to show you another website in which you can get freebies as well as you can make some money as well. So stick around till the end of the video. So Influencer sounds pretty cool in the back end, okay, but recently there is a lot of problems that has been arriving from their website. So earlier Influencer was an amazing website, but these days a lot of people are having a lot of complaints. So I went to a website called Trustpilot. So as you can see, they have only got 2.8 star review, which is actually pretty low if you look at it. So a website like Trustpilot with an average score of 2.8 star is pretty low. So anything about 4-star reviews you can actually trust. But again, Influencer only has 2.8 star reviews. So earlier it used to have a very high ranking, but now it has got a lot of complaints. So if you filter it by the 1 stars instead of the 5-star, they have almost 45%. So that's the thing, it's just a lot of 1 stars more than the 5 stars. So that's a big red flag. So if you look at some of the people's review, you can see Zon, he says he's trash. Then this guy says, don't waste your time, steals your money and gives you lost deliveries with no refund or help. It's a great app when it does, but it's, they have some problem. Drug sales and a scam. So people, many of them are just reporting that this company right over here is not gonna get you any freebies. These voxboxes, none of them are getting. The reason is they're not from the main countries. You have to be in the US, UK, Canada, Germany, or France. Otherwise, you're not going to be getting these freebies, which is why you can see a lot of complaints here. And sometimes this website right over here have some glitches. So after you complete the profile and after you have done all of the stuff that they have told you, and sometimes you won't get eligible for getting these vox boxes even if you're from the first tier countries. So that again is a problem if you're using Influenster, because you know it's because it can be a lot of time waste, because if you're putting a lot of effort by downloading their app, you're signing up and giving all the information that they require, and still if you're not getting these vox boxes, you know, it can be pretty demotivating. So this again, you know, overall I won't really recommend Influenster, but if you're really lucky, you know, you can get these vox boxes. There are people that get vox boxes, but you know, the number of people that don't get has become very high. So I suggest you guys, you know, stay away, but if you're interested, you can go with it. So that's basically it for this video of Influenster. And if you want to check out a website, which is the clicks research, so in this website you can be getting a lot of freebies and it's available all around the world. So this is an other alternative which is like better than the Influencer, and this is actually available worldwide, which is again good. So if you are not from the US, UK, Canada, France and Germany, you can be using this website and you can get these freebies even if you are not from these countries. So that's again a good way, and you can be earning some money by completing, you know, online surveys, and you can receive these click points. In turn, you can change this click points into real money. So you can't be earning a lot of money by using this strategy. I'm guessing you can get around, you know, £2 or a few cents. That's all you can make with clicks research when you go about the money side. But when it comes to the freebies, you can be getting a lot of freebies. And again, this website is not a money making website. You can be making a little bit money, but not a lot of money. So that's it for this video of Influencer. If you want to check out my recommended strategy, which has personally helped me to go from $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, if you want to access this free affiliate marketing guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.